Welcome back, makeup freaks. I missed you guys. Happy Wednesday. Of course, I know you guys can tell by the Hey there, makeup freaks. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. I bet you guys already know what this video is about today, as you read it already in the title. That is right, we are doing a review on some products I got recently from CosmeticsProduct. So let's go ahead and jump in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So the products today that we are going to be using, we're actually going to be using two foundations. We're going to do a half and half because I just can't resist. And this is one of my favorite cosmetic lines. So we are going to use the first foundation. It's called the Natural Finish Oil-Free Foundation. And this one is in shade N30. The second one, which is a compact, this one is called the Total Cover Cream Foundation. And I got this one in shade N30, which it's the same shade color. Hopefully we got the correct one. The next thing is going to be the CosmeticsProduct, and this one is the Perfector Face Palette. And as you can see, it's a contour palette. It even includes a blush, which I'm very excited to use. And with our order, we also receive two little goodies, and this one is the CosmeticsProduct High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. And we also received the CosmeticsProduct Translucent Powder in Light. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off with one side of the face. So we are going to start off with the compact foundation, and this is what it looks like. It does have its little sponge to it, but we are going to use a brush to apply it. Let's see how this looks. Hopefully it's the correct color, guys. Cross your fingers. Okay, so it's very creamy. It does lay on there pretty smooth. What I don't like is that I can see my patches where I am dry. So I'm definitely gonna have to exfoliate with this foundation. So far it's a nice coverage, but like I said, you can see my dry patches in a lot of areas. Not too fond of. Let's go ahead and try the liquid foundation and see how that one comes out. Okay, and with this one, I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty sponge to apply it. I do like the application more on the liquid foundation because it's not as heavy as this side. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. It's a light coverage on this one and it's more of a full coverage on this one. I like more of a lighter coverage than I do full coverage. I don't like feeling like I'm very cakey. As you can tell, the difference on the cream foundation is more of a full coverage, and as you can see, it gives you more of a dewy look. If you can tell the difference on this area right here, you can see that over here on the cream foundation, you can see the dry patch area. You can also notice it on this area here and a little bit over here, which I'm not a fan on. I'm not a fan of, which that means to me that I'm going to really have to exfoliate my skin if I'm going to use this foundation. But other than that, it's not bad. But like I did mention, I do like more the liquid foundation from the CosmeticsProduct so far, and I like how it looks. It makes me look like I have more of a natural skin than making it look all powdery and caked on. So I most likely will stick more with the liquid foundation than I will with the cream foundation. All right, I've gone ahead and put on concealer. It's not from CosmeticsProduct, so I'm not showing it. Right now I'm just showing all CosmeticsProduct products. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this translucent powder, and I'm going to grab my little dish here and pour some out and add some to the under eye area. As you can tell, I already have put setting powder on both sides. It's less noticeable on the side where I put liquid foundation, and you can notice it a little more on the side that I did the cream foundation. So I don't really like how that looked, but we'll see how it holds up. Cover FX is one of my all-time favorite translucent setting powders. I know that you've seen me use the Fenty Beauty one a lot. I do love the Fenty Beauty, but my ride or die setting powder is going to be the Cover FX. I think it's better than the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Don't kill me, people, if that is your preference. This one is my preference. Everyone has different preferences. The Laura Mercier might work best for you, or the Fenty Beauty one might work best for you, or a different brand might work best for you. But for me, I feel it's the Cover FX one. So if you ever get a chance, go ahead and try that one out. I guarantee you will fall in love with it. Okay, let's add some setting powder on the rest of our face. Okay, let's move on to our contour palette, and we are going to start off by using the contour, which is the bronzer. Let's see how this baby looks on. All right, before we blend it out, let's go ahead and get some of the blush and pack it onto our cheeks. Hopefully this is not too much. Oh, that's a very pretty color. Y'all see that? So pretty. Okay, let's blend everything out before we put some highlighter on. All right, which color should we use? Let's go with this more pinkish one. Oh, guys, y'all see that? Look how pretty that is. All right, let me go ahead and put some mascara offline.
Wait a minute.
Off camera. All right, we are back. Let's go ahead and use this setting spray and see how this works out. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Here are my thoughts on the products. For the cream foundation, this one will probably be a pass for me. I'll probably still use it because I did spend money on it, but I wasn't really too much of a fan of it. I did not like how it latches onto my dry patches. This is more for someone that has oily skin, not too much for someone has dry skin, because as you can see, it latches onto my dry patches. For the liquid foundation, I love I love how it looks, I love how it feels. It literally feels like a veil, like I'm not wearing anything. I like that it's not full coverage, it's light to medium. It does not latch onto my dry patches, so I really like that. So I don't have to worry about always exfoliating when I use this one. So this one I will be repurchasing. For the setting translucent powder, I already told you guys my thoughts. This is my holy grail. I really love it. I do need a full size because I did run out, so that's why you see me using the Fenty Beauty one. This one is yes, a must. I will be repurchasing this one. For the contour palette, I really did like it. It's a little messy. There's a lot of fallout, but other than that, it's very pretty. I think that it's better than some of the ones that I have. I love my Anastasia one, but I think the Cover FX right now just took its place. But I do love the e.l.f. one, and I'm kind of torn with my Milani one too, but it's up there with my contour palette, so you will see me use this palette again. For the setting spray, it does say it's 24-hour wear. We will have to see. I don't expect it to last that long, but I mean, I don't think anyone keeps their makeup on for 24 hours unless you are going to a party or a rave or something. But I will not be having my makeup on for 24 hours, but I will tell you how long it did last. It doesn't really have a smell to it, which is really nice. It smells more like a miracle water, if you guys get my drift. It's when you do spray, it's a little uneven. I would like it to have a little bit more of a smoother spray like the e.l.f. that I showed you guys last week, but it's still a nice spray. But I will let you guys guys know, like I said, an update later on this spray. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to leave me a message in the comment section below saying you subscribe so that I can get back to you. I do post up every Wednesday and Saturday. Be sure to show some love to my social media. I love you guys. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.